Welcome back to DC Reviews. Today we have another unboxing. We got the Massdrop Ctrl mechanical keyboard. A lot of good reviews on this. So let's see what it's all about. Alright. Got the warranty card. And this is the default hotkeys for the LEDs, pretty much, and the media keys. Put that aside. So it comes in a USB-C cable, key puller, switch puller, and then the mouse feet. So let's take the mouse feet out. I have a cable ready, so I'm not going to use the one in the box. So the feet are rubber, magnetic. I hear that these are annoying because when you move your keyboard, it pops off. So that could be quite annoying. There it is. So the color scheme: silver, gray, dark gray. Looks pretty good. So let's put the feet on. Let's look at the back of it. Alright. 6 rubberized feet. And the 4 spots for the feet, so if you want to tilt up or tilt down, you can do it whichever way you like. Just like that. It just clicks in pretty nice. Let's test. Moving. Oh! The feet are now undone. So it's true, unless you're keeping your keyboard at the same spot all the time, you never move it, this could be a little bit of a problem. Or you gotta pick up your keyboard every time. Alright, that's good. Yep, so it has a slight incline now, which is nice. Alright, let's power it on. I have a USB cable ready. And it's got 2 ports. Here it is. So let's go over the lighting RGB function. So if I want to change patterns, I just press the FN plus A or D to go to previous and next. So let's try it out. FN D. So this is a static RGB. Yep. So now it's running back and forth for red light. That's pretty cool. Now it's just the red light. No, off. And this is original, or how it comes out boxed. So what's cool is this underlighting that happens throughout. That's pretty cool. So what else makes it interesting? Well, it's got 10 keyless layout, so 87 keys. It's an aluminum frame. Let's see. very hard and strong, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. Custom PCB, so you're able to hot swap different keys. I got this with the Halo True switches, so let's give it a pretty linear, but it's much harder than, say, the cherry browns that I'm using in my other keyboard. So it's supposed to engage pretty early, but the amount of force you need is supposed to be like 100 grams at the bottom and about 55 right in the engagement point. So you can customize the keys with a app that you download. So I might test that out later, but currently not set up yet. See, it's got the shine through keycaps, the PBT double shot, so it's high quality, shouldn't wear over time, and it won't have the like the ABS keycaps, it won't have the oiliness or the shininess that'll come through after you use the, say, the WASD key for a while. It's got the dual USB connectors. The weight probably weighs, let's see, like 2 pounds, maybe a little bit more. But let's give it a feel. Yeah, definitely much harder to press. But yeah, much harder to press than the cherry browns. So why don't I give it a test and I'll report back later. If there's something else you want me to review, please leave some comments below. Thank you.